Hi, and welcome to day 3 of the 10 Days of Techmas. Today we're going to be working on Google Sheets and creating pixel art. Pixel art is where you solve math problems to reveal a mystery picture. So let's get started on showing you how you're going to complete your pixel art today. When you get the slide from your teacher, you're going to simply click on the link or the words next to your grade level. So I can click on my link here, and it's going to open an addition pixel art for me. This is not the one you're going to complete, but I wanted to show you an example. So when I come over to the left-hand side, you'll see that these are the problems that I have to solve. Since this is in view only, the first step you'll need to do is go to File, Make a Copy, and then click OK. When your copy opens, you are going to rename it at the top. So I just click in these words, and I can delete this, and I can just write right, so you can rename it whatever your teacher has asked you to name, but then you can start solving the problems on the side. You might need to get a piece of paper or pencil to help you think through the math problem. So if I'm thinking of 6 plus 4, I know 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, I'm going to type a 10 as my answer. If I get the answer correct, it's going to reveal mystery boxes on my page. So I can keep working through the math problems, and every time I solve something correct, a new picture or new square will be filled in. Okay, so let's see, I put 99 in that box and it didn't work. So I'm going to go back up, and I'm going to say 9. Oh. Okay, now I got it correct and it worked. If I put a number, so if I thought 5 plus 7 was 10, and I leave, you see nothing new appears. So I know that since it didn't turn color, I didn't get it correct. So I'm going to try again. I'm going to try 12. Oh, it turned green, and I know that green squares over here are filled in. So I'm going to keep working through my math problems and find out what my mystery picture is. Have fun completing your pixel art today.